Beacon Cleaning, we are committed to going above and beyond to meet your home maintenance needs and exceed your expectations. We understand that your home is a reflection of your unique personality, and we're here to help you fully enjoy your living space by enhancing its curb appeal and ensuring its safety. Our comprehensive range of services is designed to revitalize your home, making it look and feel brand new. Through our specialized services in soft washing, roof cleaning, and paver sealing, we pay meticulous attention to every detail, focusing on the areas that matter most. Contact Beacon Cleaning today at 321-507-4851. Beacon Cleaning, your trusted partner for comprehensive soft washing, roof cleaning, and paver sealing services. Count on us to make your home shine.